Ki Samla puli ke skul ba NEHU hapo ke Jingialam jong ke NEHUSU bat ke KSU NEHU unit minta ke janmi jong ke arpo tarik unai wing aja arpo saw kila Pynsangeh no Shipor ke Jingsha thangan hadien live pa prapu nyau kinta namar ba kelakta ke kot ke kya jong kini ki Samla ki be shimbinta ke ni ke Jingsha thangan bandawa hiar shuki vice chancellor ke NEHU UPS Shukla ya ke ni ke Pynsangeh Shipor ya ke Jingsha thangan penbenar presiden ke NEHUSU usandi sotun hadian bana kalian ki doktor ki Pait bakhmi ye ki man kasngi nadu basdang ke Jingsha thangan kila ai jingmut bat bala ai jingmut ru de kinau hikai.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and one of you, especially the student community, the NEHUTA, the META, the KSU central body, and even the medical team, which has been there since the beginning of this hunger strike. Your support has been priceless, I will say, and in consideration of the requests from the teachers, from the staffs, and even from the doctor, and based on the medical advice, we have seen that the health of our students, the members who have been starving for 16 days, the health has been deteriorating. So we, the KSU NEHUSU unit, or KSU unit, and the NEHUSU have decided that we will temporarily suspend this hunger strike. However, this does not signify that we will end the agitation, but we will continue the protest during the weekdays from 9 to 5, and we will not move from this place until and unless our demands will be fulfilled. And also, I would like to thank the community members who have been here from day one. And also, I would like to say that it is quite hard to be a leader. I feel like crying, tears feels like coming out from my eyes from day to day. Seeing the members going to the hospital and getting the drips from time to time, from day to day, it really breaks my heart, I'll tell you, my friends. And we await the report of the committee which has been dispatched from the Ministry of Education. But if the Ministry of Education fails to take appropriate action based on the report by the committee which they will be sending, we will again resume this hunger strike, or we can take other measures, and hopefully the teachers, including the staff, and especially the students, will support us till the day our demand has been fulfilled. And as you can see, the Vice Chancellor has been adamant, but we the students don't want to follow his footsteps. So I, as a leader, feel that for the time being, we have to relax, and we will wait further till the report from the committee will be sent to the ministry. And if the ministry don't take appropriate action, we won't stay quiet. we will raise our voice.